Hello dear students. In last year, exercise 2.2 question number 2 is completed. Today now next start the question number 3. Prepare a blank paper by considering the following characteristics for the candidate who appear for the different jobs at bank. Underline words blank paper. So your first attribute designation is given manager, clerk, cashier and peon. Second attribute marriage status married and unmarried. Third gender wise male and female. So first of all table drawing. Heading write down. A table showing designation, marriage status and gender wise. Drawing paper. Mainly four part. Second, third and fourth. Three sub-equal parts. First attribute, so in first column, designation, manager, cashier, clerk and peon. So it first manager, second clerk, third attribute cashier and last is peon. Then after total is our first attribute designation. Second is given marriage status. So in first row, married and unmarried. And last row is our second attribute, marriage status, married and unmarried. And third is the gender wise, male and female. Male, female, total. Male, female, total. Male, female, and completed for the question number 3. Only for drawing blank paper. Okay, 3 different types of activities given. First is designation, second is the marriage status, and third is the gender wise. Okay, drawing. The next question number 4. Out of total 1,850 women work in factory. Total women employees working in factory 1,850. 549 were residing in labor area. Out of total married women of labor area, 250 had experience and 93 were inexperienced. So our first attribute is area wise, labor and other. Second attribute, experience and inexperience. Next, the number of experienced and inexperienced women from the other area were 87 and 400 respectively. Other area, experienced and inexperienced women is given. The total number of inexperienced women was 1,336, and out of them 136 were from labor. આટલું જ ક્વેશ્ચન ગયો ને તેમ છતાં આન્સર ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરશે ધ્યાન રાખજો ક્વેશ્ચન પેપરમાં જ્યારે ક્વેશ્ચન આવે ત્યારે એમ ન કહેતા સર મિસ્ટેક છે ક્વેશ્ચન સપોઝ અહીંયા સુધીનો ક્વેશ્ચન હશે તો બી આન્સર ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ થઈ જશે ટેબલ ડિફેક્ટ થઈ જશે એવું ન કહેતા લાસ્ટ સેન્ટેન્સ સર નથી હાફ ક્વેશ્ચન છે મિસ્ટેક છે ત્યારે એવું બનશે બરાબર આઉટ ઓફ ટોટલ વુમન 1020 were unmarried. Among them, the number of experienced women from labor area and from the other area were 163 and 40 respectively. Present this data in tabular. First of all, working group. Total number of women 1,815. 185. Mainly two part. 549 were residing in labor area. First part. 549. Out of total married women of labor area, 250 had experience and 93 were inexperienced. So second part. Marriage status. Married and unmarried. Married and unmarried. Out of total married women of labor area, married women, 250 had experience and 93 were inexperienced. So next two part, experience and inexperienced. First is experience. (250) and inexperience. Is 93. Total 549 women in labor area. Out of that, married women experienced 250 and inexperienced 93. The same part in other area. Okay, so first attribute is area wise. Second attribute, marriage status, married and unmarried. And third, experience wise, experience and inexperience. Next part, married and unmarried. Sub part, experience and inexperience. Next two are experience and inexperience. Okay, now continuing question. The number of experienced and inexperienced woman from the other area. Experienced and inexperienced from the other area. Where 87 and 400 respectively. Same. Other area married. Experienced 87 and inexperienced 400. Same place. The number of experienced and inexperienced women from the other area 87 and 400 respectively. Same place. Married. Continue. The total number of inexperienced women was 1336. Total inexperienced women 1336. And out of them 136 were from labor area. 136. So remaining 1200 in other area. Total inexperienced woman is given 1336. Out of them 136 in labor area. Inexperienced woman 136 including in labor area. So ratio 1200 including in other area. So અહીંયા સુધીનો ક્વેશ્ચન આપેલો છે, આન્સર ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ થઈ જોઈએ. ઓકે, so total first of all find out 250 plus 93 using calculation. 343. Total 549 months in labor area. Out of them 343 married, rest of unmarried. Difference find out. 549 minus 343. 206 for unmarried woman of labor. Okay. 87 plus 400. Total 487 married women in other area. Total difference 1850 minus 549. 1301. 1301 women in other area. Less difference find out. 1301 minus 487. 740. 714. Check it. 814. Okay, done. Total 549 in labor area, so rest of other area. 343. We have difference find out. 549 minus 343. 206 is the unmarried. Same unmarried for other. Total inexperienced woman 1336. Out of them 136 in labor area. Total inexperienced woman in labor area 136. 93 is married, so remaining unmarried. Total inexperienced woman in labor area 136. Out of them 93 in experience of married, so remaining unmarried. Here 136 minus 93. Difference find out. 43. Here total unmarried inexperienced woman. Inexperienced woman is 136. Out of them 93 is married. So rest of remaining unmarried inexperienced. Total 206 unmarried woman. Difference find out. 206 minus inexperienced woman 43 less. So answer 163. Experienced woman labor area for unmarried. This side unmarried. Total other area inexperienced woman 1200. Inexperienced woman total 1200. Out of them 400 married. So rest of unmarried. 1200 minus 400. 800 inexperienced woman for unmarried for other area. Total 840. 814 minus inexperienced 800. 14 including in married for experienced. Done. Okay, next. Heading right down about it one. a table showing area, comma, marriage status and experience wise total 1850 women working in factory. 1850 women working in factory. So first of all, 4 column, 8 line drawing. In first column, or first attribute write down area, labor and other. In first row, marriage status, second attribute. Okay. Married, unmarried, total. And third attribute, experience wise, means experience or inexperience. Under the area, labor and other. Last total. Marriage status, married and unmarried. And third, experience one, experience and inexperience. Experience, inexperience. Last word. Experience, inexperience. Total. Experience, inexperience. Total. Okay. Out of total 1850 women working in factory. Total 1850 without working on directly. Okay. Data showing table. 549 were residing in labor area. Okay, labor area 549. 1850 minus 549, difference find out. 1301 women in other area. Next, out of total married women of labor area 250. Okay, total married women from labor area 250 and experience 93 were inexperienced. Okay, 250 had experience and 93 inexperienced. Labor area married 250 experience, 93 inexperienced. So addition 250 plus 93, 343 women labor area for married. Continue. The number of experienced and inexperienced women from other area were 87 and 400 respectively. Same. 87 and 400. 487 women from other area. Sorry. 87 and 400 for other area. 87, 400, 487. So addition 250 plus 87. 337, check it, 337, and 400 plus 93, 493. Addition 337 plus 493, 830. Check the total. Okay. So merit, labor and other area, expenses, inexpensive money. Continue question. The total number of inexperienced women was 1360. Okay. Total inexperienced women 1336. Total inexperienced women 1336. Out of them 136 were from labor area. Okay, labor area inexperienced 136. So difference 1336 minus 136, so 1200 from other area. Done. Now next, difference find out. Total inexperienced woman 136, married inexperienced woman 93. So difference, inexperienced woman for married 43. So inexperienced 43. Done. Next, 1200 total inexperienced woman, out of them 400 is married, so remaining 800 unmarried. 800 plus 43, 840. 549 less 136, difference find out. So experienced woman total find out. Find the difference. 430. 413. Total experienced woman. Difference find out. Less, married 250 less. 163. Check it. Experienced woman 163. 163 plus 43. 206. Next. 1200. 1301 minus 1200. 101 experience less 87. So 14 difference. 800 plus 14. 814. 163 plus 14. 177. Okay, addition 206 plus 814. 1020. 413 plus 101. 540. Check. Okay. Experience. Inexperience. Total. Okay. Row and column both sides same. Write down. The next in question number 4. Question number 5. Last question for the exercise 2.2. There were 1250 skilled and 400 unskilled workers in private company in the year 2011. One is skilled wise, skilled and unskilled workers. First activity. Year is given. Second activity. There were 220 female workers, and of them 140 were unskilled. Female, male and female, third attribute, gender, three attribute related question. In year 2012, the number of skilled workers was 1475, and of them 1300 were males. Out of 250 unskilled workers, 200 were males. In year 2013, there were 1700 skilled and 50 unskilled workers. Out of total workers, 250 were females, of them 240 were skilled. In year 2014, there were 2000 workers, and of them 2% were unskilled. Out of total workers, 300 were females, and of them 10 were unskilled. Prepare the about it line. First of all, year wise, 2011 to 2014, 4 year related data is given. 2011, 2012, 2013, and 2014. Second attribute, skilled and unskilled worker is given. And third attribute, gender wise, male and female. First our attribute. There were 1250 skilled and 400 unskilled workers in a private company in year 2011. Okay. Skilled and unskilled. Total skilled 1250 and unskilled 400. So addition 1250 plus 400. 1650. Total number of workers in factory in year 2011. There were 220 female workers. Okay, male and female. Male, female. 220 female workers, and of them 140 were unskilled. Total 220 females. Out of them 140 were skilled. Under the skilled, female 140. Total female is 220. The difference find out. 220 minus 140. 80 female unskilled in year 2011. Okay, clear? Next. Difference find out. 1250 less 140. Answer 1110. Total 400 unskilled workers, out of them 80 female, remaining 400 minus 80, 320 of male. 140 unskilled female. Okay, yes. 140 were unskilled. So 140 here item 400 minus 140. So difference 260. Okay, unskilled female is given. 220 female, out of them 140 were unskilled. Okay, 140 unskilled. So here skilled find out. 1250. Sorry, total 400 to 20 minus 140. Difference find out. 220 minus 140. 80 female skilled. Check. Yes. Okay. Total 220. Out of them 140 were unskilled. 140 unskilled. The remaining 80 is skilled. Difference 1250 50 minus 8080 1170. Done for the year 2011 related data is complete. Next 2012. Okay. Skilled, unskilled, male, female, male, female. In the year 2012, the number of skilled workers was 1475, and of them 1300 were male. Total skilled workers 1475, and of them 1300 were male. Total 1300 male female. Okay, the difference. Next, out of 250 unskilled workers, 250 unskilled male 250. Total male employee 1300. So difference find out. 1300 minus 250. 1300 minus 250. Male out of 250 unskilled workers, 200 were male. Okay, sorry. Continue. 1300 were male. Total male workers 1300. And total 1475. So difference 175. Out of 250 unskilled workers, 200 were male. Unskilled male 200. Total here 250. Difference find out. 250 minus 200. 50 female. Continue. In the year 2012, the number of skilled workers, okay, was 1475. Skilled workers total 1475. Then 1300 were male. Here 1300 male. So remaining 175 female. Okay, 1475 minus 1300. Okay, 175 female. Next one, out of 250 unskilled workers, 200 male. So remaining 50 female. Addition 1475 plus 250. 1715. Next, in year 2013, there were 1700 skilled and 50 unskilled workers. Skilled 1700, unskilled 50. The total 1750. Out of total workers, 250 were female. Okay, total 250 female. Of them, 240 were skilled. Okay, 240 male and female. Male and female. 240 skilled female. And total female 250. So 250 minus 240. So difference 10. Okay, unskilled female workers. Next difference find out. 1700 minus 240. Minus 240. 1460. Okay, 50 minus 10. 40 male unskilled workers. And last, in the year 2014, there were 2000 workers. Okay, total 2000 workers. And of them, 2% were unskilled. Using as 2000 into 2%. 2% were unskilled. 2000 into 2%. So 40 unskilled workers. Out of total workers, 300 were females. Total 300 females. And of them, 10 were unskilled. Okay? Male, female, male, female. 10 were unskilled. 10 unskilled. Total 300 female. 10 unskilled. So remaining 300 minus 10. 290 skilled female. Difference. 40 minus 10. 30. 2000 minus 40. 1960. 2000 minus 40. Okay. 1960 minus 290. 1670. Done. Write down.